Our first module is all about the top of the sales funnel, getting traffic into your website. Now there are many different ways to get people to visit a website, and lots of variation on each and every method we can talk about. But the top four are far and away where most of the traffic actually comes from, all over the web. Number one is search engine optimization. This is where we engage in efforts to have our site show up in Google and other search engines, when someone types in a phrase that's related to what our target customers would be after. So, for our home theater site, maybe if someone typed in home theater or best DVD player or biggest plasma TV, those may all be search phrases that we want to make sure that we show up for when someone types them into Google, so people can click on the search listings and visit our site. That's SEO. Second way is pay-per-click. Now this is where you can run individual little ads, almost like classified ads. You can see them on the right side of Google searches and sometimes at the top in yellow. And you pay Google, or again, other search engines have the same thing. You pay a fee every time someone clicks on your ad and visits your site. Number three is email marketing. Now you're all no doubt experienced this. It's not often pleasant. Sometimes when you get an email from somewhere telling you about something fantastic and that you should visit this site. And four, finally, we have article marketing. And this is where you write a piece of content, maybe a review for a TV or something using our example. You publish this article and the article gets the visitors. It shows up in the search engine listings and it's posted on other sites. People read this article, they see what an interesting person you are, and then you have a link to your site in that article. People click on and they come to visit you. Now, these are really the ways that most commercial websites get their traffic. And in this course, we're going to be focusing on two of those ways, SEO and article marketing. And our real focus is going to be on SEO. So let's get started.